How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about Plasticity versus Fusion 360. The first thing that I want to tackle is their modeling approach. Now, for Plasticity, they focuses on direct modeling. You can simply push and pull shapes with no history or timeline. It's fast and intuitive. For Fusion 360, they uses parametric modeling, meaning every step is recorded and editable later. It's perfect for precise engineering. Now, let's talk about some features and capabilities. The Fusion 360 is a full package. It includes CAD, CAM, simulations, and manufacturing tools all in one. For Plasticky, it is mainly focused on modeling, especially for clean surfaces and hard surface design, but they lack advanced engineering tools. From there, let's also talk about the workflow and use cases. Plasticky is often called CAD for artists. They are great for concept design, game assets, and product visuals. Meanwhile, for Fusion 360, it is built for real world production like mechanical parts, prototypes, and manufacturing workflows. And so, of course, we also have their ease of use. Basically, Plasticky is easier and faster to learn, especially if you're coming from Blender or creative tools. Fusion 360 has a steeper learning curve because, once again, of its advanced feature, but it's more powerful on the long term. And lastly, we have price. Plasticky is one-time purchase with no subscription. Meanwhile, for Fusion 360, it is subscription-based but offers a free version for students and hobbyists. And so, as a conclusion, you want to choose Fusion 360 for engineering, precision, and full production workflows. And you want to choose Plasticky for speed, simplicity, and creative modeling. And so, if this comparison has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.